Snuvid just gifted me this 12-piece set of cooking utensils. I've already unboxed it, but I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Now, I've already unboxed it because each of these spoons came individually wrapped with this beautiful tissue paper and a little sticker here. They're all branded with their logo on it, which I truly appreciate. They were all wrapped nicely in this box right here, nestled inside this box. So if you guys are buying it for a gift, it's beautiful presentation, and there's all safe in there with this nice wrapped tissue paper. I've went already ahead to undo all the tissue paper so I can show you guys what the spoons look like here. So on the side of the box, you will find what this package includes. You're gonna get 12 spoons, and all of these are labeled with names so you can find out what they're for. This right here, this one is the spoon rest, which I can truly appreciate. First off, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of this wood. This is teak wood, and look at the beauty in that grain. It's just beautifully crafted, all these spoons. I've got a ladle right here. Now the ladle is the one that has a deeper right here, and then it's got a curved handle. Now this is gonna be our skimmer. It's got all the holes in there, but you can see how beautifully crafted all of these are. This is something that I would truly be proud to display in my kitchen because of how beautiful it is. And not only that, these are gonna make for great gifts in anyone's kitchen. Now, next one right here, I believe this one is the slotted turner. It's flat and it's curved, so it's not the spatula. And this one is fun. I've actually never seen this one before, but this is called a spurtle. So it's curved. So I'm thinking maybe spurtle stands for maybe like a spatula and something else, but like a spoon and a spatula all in one, but it's curved and it's shorter. Here is our spaghetti spoon. So we got these nice hooks right here to be able to pick up your spaghetti or your pasta, and it's slotted too, so all that pasta water can drain. All right, let's see what these ones are. These are two different ones, okay? So this is gonna be our turner, and this is gonna be our spatula. The turner is gonna have this nice little deep spot right here, and the spatula is more flat, but it's still got that curve right here. Next, we're gonna have our, I believe this one is the oil spoon. And all of these pieces have a nice little hole on it, so if you wanna hang it up, you can. If you have a kitchen that allows you to hang utensils, pots, and pans, this does have hooks on them, little hook holes in them. Right, next up, we are going to find our mixing spoon. This is the mixing spoon, and this one is gonna have a more round top. All right, we're gonna get to both of these right here. Now this one right here is the salad fork, and it pairs with the salad spoon. If you are mixing a salad, this is great for using it together, mixing the salad, and not only that, being able to transfer that salad into a bowl or plate. So that's the 12 set right there. Now it also comes with a really nice instruction manual here. It is gonna give you care instructions to hand wash only. So since this is teak wood, you're not gonna wanna soak this. You're gonna want to clean with mild soap and warm water and avoid soaking. So as soon as you are done with it, wash it and let it dry thoroughly as well. And make sure that it's in a space where it's open air to allow it to dry thoroughly. Now, this is something that you are gonna not want to put in the dishwasher, so avoid dishwashers. High heat and prolonged moisture can damage the wood. So keep these nice and beautiful, hand wash them with warm water and mild soap, and then air dry or dry with a towel. Store properly. You're gonna wanna keep this in a dry place, in a ventilated area, so you don't wanna keep it where it's close to heat, moisture, or anything like that. No deep frying with these. But if you've got expensive pots and pans like I do that are non-stick, guess what? These are gonna be safe to use on all of those. These are scratch-free spoons, utensils, spatulas, all of that. So some key features of it, they are cookware safe, like I said, they're scratch resistant, they're heat resistant, it's got nice ergonomic handles, they're versatile tools, and not only that, they're antimicrobial bacterial properties. They naturally inhibits bacterial growth for safer food prep. So all of that on here. Not only that, you've got a nice 2-year warranty on here as well, and a nice background story of who made this and how they came to be. If you guys are interested in this set, I highly recommend go checking them out. This is something that I would proudly display in my kitchen. They are absolutely beautiful, and just look at the beauty in all these.